Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I, I Neeraj Khare as a biology teacher of class 9. So dear student, today's continuous chapter diversity in living organism, the revision. All important definition we write there. The first one is the biodiversity or biological diversity. Biodiversity or any other name of the biological diversity means the variety of living organisms present on a particular region. Biodiversity, biodiversity means the variety of living organisms present on a particular region. There are about 20 lakh organisms known as the earth which differ from one another in external form, internal structure, mode of the nutrition, habitat, etc. They differ from one another in the external from the internal structure, mode of the nutrition and habitat, etc. So dear students, the warm and the humid of the tropical region, the warm and the humid, the tropical region of the earth between the tropic of Cancer, between the tropic of Cancers and the tropic of Capricorn have a rich diversity of life. Capricorn have a rich diversity of life, plants, animals and microorganisms, and are called the region of mega biodiversity. And microorganisms and are called the region of mega biodiversity. India is one of the 12th country. India is one of the 12th century countries which is the consist of more than the half of the biodiversity of the earth. India is one of the 12th countries which is the consist of more than half of the biodiversity of the earth. Taxonomy. What do you understand by taxonomy? Dear student, taxonomy it is a branch of the biology which is the deal with identification, nomenclature, and the classification of organisms. Carolus Linnaeus is called the father of taxonomy. Who is father of taxonomy? Carolus Linnaeus is called the father of taxonomy. Classification. Classification, the method of the organism into the group or sets on the basis of similarities and the difference is called classification. Dear students, the method of the arranging organism into the group or sets on the basis of the similarities and the difference is called the classification. The method of the arranging organism into the group or the set on the basis of the similarities and the difference is called the classification. So basis of classification there are the certain the features or the properties used for the classification of living organisms which are known as characteristics. Organisms with the same characteristics are placed in same group. The organisms with the same characteristic are placed in same group. So classification system, first one is classification system is first point is the two kingdoms classifications. Carolus Linnaeus is 1758. Two kingdoms classifications. Carolus Linnaeus in 1758 so classified the living organism. So classified the living organism into two groups as the plant and animals. Two groups are plants and animals. Carolus Linnaeus divided by two major kingdoms in divide by 1758 so classified the living organism into two groups as the plants and animals is a major two group plants and animals. Second one, five kingdom classification. H. Whitaker in the 1959 is further the classified the organism into five kingdoms as the kingdoms Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, and kingdom Plantae and kingdoms Animalia. So five kingdoms classify the H. Whitaker is the 1959. 1959. So very important notes. Cornwallis in the 1977 further divide kingdoms Monera into Archaeobacteria and Archaea and the Eurobacteria or bacteria. So this is the important note. Coral who in the 1977 the further divide kingdoms Monera into Archaeobacteria and Eurobacteria. Linnaeus proposed as a classification system by the arranging the organism into taxonomic group. Different leaves according to the characteristic they have. The group of the leaves from the top to bottom are. Dear student, Linnaeus proposed a classification system by the arranging the organism into the taxonomic group at the different labels according to the characteristics they have. According to the characteristic they have, the group of the label from top to bottom. Hierarchy of the classification. Linnaeus proposed the classification system by the arranging the organism into the taxonomic group of at the different level according to the characteristic. They have the group of the labels from top to bottom are: first one is kingdom, second one is phylum, third one is class, fourth one is order, fifth one is family, sixth one genus, and seventh species. First one kingdom, second phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Species. Species is a group of living beings which can reproduce among themselves and keep their population alive. Is called as species. Do you know? Do you know? Species. A species is a group of living beings which can reproduce among themselves and keep their population alive. Is called species. So, dear students, today's topic revision top point. Some point is finished. Tomorrow, next topic we start for the revision. And today is homework. Some important notes. Write down your note copy and send me. So first one is the write down is the important definition is the species taxonomy who father is taxonomy who's a divide by classification who's a different scientist name. So please write down your notes and send me. So be very careful. Thank you.